Maui. I go in the gas. As a Fatari, Mazgan. See them what that I mean, loves, man.
By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we went, when we remember Zion.
Kings of kings, lords of lords, conquering land the tribe of Judah. Let God, mighty God, earth's rightful ruler. Blessed be the man who walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, or stand in the ways of sinners.
Cause the wicked carried us away captivity, require from us a song.
I'll sit in the seat of the scornful, for his delight is in the law of the Lord, and his laws to meditate day and night. Before he shall be like the tree that planted by the river of many water, that bringeth new fruit in its season. His leaf also shall not wither, so whatsoever man doeth shall prosper. The weak hearts are not so, oh no. They are like the trash which will drive it away. If no weak heart shall stand to a judgment, now sinners in the congregation of the righteous. So from Exodus to Leviticus, brother, I will never ever make a fuss. Let love shine along the way. Let love shine so light each and every day. And you could be what the good brothers say. Man, say, let the love shine along the way. But you sing the song of Zion so strong that you never will be wrong. Earth comes to be the fullness thereof. Now it's come to be the Lord, King Alpha. So sing the song, brother, sing the song strong, strong. You could hear the man playing on strong. Let peace shine in your heart. Let peace shine along the way. You love one another like you love yourself. And love your mother.
By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we went, when we remember Zion.
Peace and love, brothers and sisters, peace and love. Make love and not war, cause you have to stay far. War is ugly, but love is lovely, you know that.